In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products and services in Xero. If you're setting up your item catalog or refreshing it from a spreadsheet, importing is the fastest, cleanest way to go. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish with a few tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. First, open Xero and head to the sales area. This is where your quotes and invoices live, and it's also where you'll manage your product and service list. From there, go into products and services. This page shows all the items you sell or buy, whether they're physical products or time-based services. Next, choose import. Xero will ask what you want to import. Select items. This tells Xero you're bringing in products and services, not contacts or anything else. The import flow is simple, but accuracy matters here. Before you upload anything, download the template that Xero provides. Use their template. It's formatted exactly the way Xero expects, which prevents mapping errors later. Open the file and review the columns. You'll typically see fields like item code, item name, description, sales unit price, purchase unit price, the accounts to post to, and tax information. Keep item codes unique and meaningful. They're used to identify and update items later. For prices, don't add currency symbols. Just use numbers. For tax, use the exact tax names or rates used in your Xero organization. If you track inventory on certain products, make sure the tracked fields are set correctly and that the related accounts already exist in your chart of accounts. For services, leave inventory tracking off. Once your template is complete and saved, return to Xero and select your file. Choose the CSV you just updated. Xero will upload it and prepare a preview. Click Next to move into the review stage. Here, Xero checks your data and shows you how many rows will be created or updated. Scan for warnings or errors. If something doesn't look right, like a missing account, a duplicated item code, or an invalid tax name, pause and fix your spreadsheet, then try again. Taking a minute here saves cleanup later. Finally, open the import summary. This summary confirms what happened, how many items were added or changed, and whether any rows failed. If there are issues, note the messages, correct your file, and repeat the import. That's it. By starting in sales, opening products and services, choosing import, selecting items, using Xero's template, uploading your file, reviewing on Next, and checking the import summary, you'll get a clean, reliable item list that speeds up invoicing and purchasing. Thanks for watching and happy importing.